Hello, welcome to another video. My name's Randy, Tapman Randy that is, and we're going to be installing some more LED door handle bowls for a AoonuAuto. It's the back door handle bowls. We got to go ahead and already started it. We got to pop this guy off right here, and we got a little I think it's a 10 millimeter, 7 millimeter, somewhere around there for this guy, and we got a 30 hexon or whatever for this guy right here. Two of them here, one in here. We're gonna have to pop this off, and then you want to go ahead and take something flat and soft and then pop behind here once you get all this off, and then that way it comes off easy. You don't want to mess anything up, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and get that off right there. I'm gonna show you where you need to drill to hide the wire, and me myself already have wires hooked up here. So if you don't have wires hooked up or stuff already hooked up, then you're gonna have to use your tester and then test it on how you want to test it. Like if you want to have it come on when the car comes on, or do you just want to have it dim out when the dimmers come on and you shut the door and they go off. Me, I like to have mine on all the time, like, so I run them by a switch, and it's in the daytime, nighttime, whatever. I turn it off and on with the switch, and that's how I do right there. But like I said, these are already ran to a switch. I already have wires ran, so I'll show you. I got some simple connectors. Instead of splicing, you connect it right in, chop it right into the wire, close it down, and it works perfect. We'll go ahead and do that right there, and then I'll be right back with you. There it is, a AoonuAuto. Right there, boy. They got me. Nice, looking good. Looking good. Both of them. There he is. And I went ahead and put some LEDs in the cubbies right there. Hard to see because it's daylight right now, but over here you can see this one good, better. But that's where we're at right there. Now I just need to get the back two. Get the back two and I'll be set. Thank you, AoonuAuto, all day. All day I'm gonna stick with you guys. You guys got the best. Got you on that windshield too. Let me show you on that windshield real quick. Sorry, I had to take it and go show it off real quick to some of my peoples right there. Okay, here we go. Look, here you go. AoonuAuto. They said I could throw you on there. They didn't have no decals for me. They said I could make a decal and sponsor you, so there you go. Sponsoring the AoonuAuto. Alright. There he is. Thank you, AoonuAuto. There you go, AoonuAuto. Got them back door handle bowl LEDs working for you. There it is, baby. Another great product from AoonuAuto. This is Tapman Randy signing out. Go ahead and show this off for the YouTube. There you go. Got them Batmans coming up too for the video for you. Got the LED floor mats coming up for you also. Once again, come see me, AoonuAuto. Right there all day.